Yep, a wet day at Montaneta.
Yeah, I just bought an automatic.
He wants that again.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
45 plus a day.
Really? What did it used to be?
It's half that price, right? Normal.
Yeah.
You'd be lucky to get 145
now.
now.
For an automatic, but...
Well, 60, you could get under 60.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we'll be able to rent this apartment. Yeah, you want to use a rental contract. Yeah.
Got to keep walking.
Barry's going back now.
Yeah, I'm going to actually, I've finished.
Is that enough?
The path now gets built in. You're going to have to duck a lot.
Quack, quack, quack. This is about normal for my walks that I go. Getting caught on things, going off the track like.
Yep. Oh, what's that?
Hunchback and look down there.
Yeah. I do remember this one. Oh, ouch. Like, keep getting hit with rocks, like branches like that.
No, not recently.
Midgets. A lot of midgets.
Yeah.
Midgets do this one. Very popular midgets.
You remember walking this one last year? Yes. Oh, at the beginning of the year. We walked it.
I want similar. We set off at the same place. Yeah. But we did a circle.
Yes, we're going in circle today.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of us. He loves his trousers. That's it. Walking up that hill. Shows you how good walking up hills is. He loves his weight on the way up. See, there we are. First track. Right. Up the hill. Yes, I'm afraid it's like all these walks. It's uphill. Up.
Not what they were doing. Yeah. When comes to doing it, you have to hold the tongue. Because you don't have to watch it do.
What are they? Who's up the hill? The message didn't get through. Just be careful down the slippery bits. Oh, that's nice, rather warm, and of course wet, but the trees are wonderful. Looking for this track now. It's the excursion through the undergrowth, so you get everyone slightly excited. And now back on normal easy paths. For some reason my battery's gone flat, which is ridiculous. Oh, there we are. We've now got, it's now showing what will happen in a few minutes. It'll come up and say we do have a few puddles on the path today. As you can see, it has rained, but it's nice and fresh up on the Man on a motorbike that's just gone rushing past. Trees look very different when they're wet. It's very, so we're still climbing, we're not at the top of the walk yet, and we are a bit behind time, but as you can see, still beautiful. An hour into the walk, I'm walking fairly fast now to catch up with time, but we're all still together quite well. It's 12:30 and the rain started. There we are. See if the camera will work for 2 minutes just to take some pictures. There you are. I don't like it now. Well,
You know where we're going, Barry?
I know where we're going. We're about 200 or 300 metres from the turn off onto the way back.
That's it. I've got on my map.
Right, that's worked. Nearly halfway there. We're looking for the track back in about 200 metres. I'm going to take a video of somebody coming with an umbrella. It shows it's raining.
Right, the hat might have to come off, folks.
I went to Switzerland once with our leader and he absolutely hated anybody else.
But now in steady rain, it's not hard, but we've also got all the drops coming off the trees now, which is a bit heavier, but never mind, we're all covered. The paths look quite different when it's raining, and you have this difficulty of actually knowing if it's one you've walked on before. We should be coming up to a junction shortly, which looks to be just in front of us. I'll see, I'll need to look at the map. I must admit, I don't remember much about this. It looks very different in the wet. My phone is soaking. It's very difficult to read the map now, but as long as we keep going on here, then turn or go onto the main track, we should get back. We're going to be late, but that's because we've been in and out of waterproofs.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, which is when you
Junction 56.
on the door and using any system like we are, and anybody's worked hard, paid it all, yeah.
Last turn, and fairly obvious when you get here. The camera will keep running for long enough. You see that we are getting quite a heavy fall of water now. Why does it need it on the other round? We're going down that way, back to the minibus. The unusual sight in Tenerife of running water on our walks. Right, near the end of the walk. I'm getting the mist of the lens now. 700 metres to go round the puddles. Yep, that's all. The trees are quite different in rain. Lots of sparkly little water. Of course, it's unusual for a walk in rain out here, so we don't get many times to take these pictures. Getting towards roundabout, having to avoid lots of puddles now. Quite a lot of rain's fallen. I found a path back to the church. We appear to have done a diversion that I didn't know about. But never mind. We should be back at the church up this last climb. Oops, up, up. Not quite there yet. keep going a bit further, and that will be the end of the walk. I always think this is finished too early, and it goes on further. Well, this time should be the end of the walk. It's amazing how I get this wrong every time I walk it. It just goes on and on towards the end. And the camera's having problems, it's getting wet. It's still raining quite heavily. But around the next bend, over the next hill, are we there yet, as the kids would say. And over the top to the little church, San Fransisco church. There we are. Round and back. And across the road is the minibus. I don't know if you can see that yet. I'm nice tool. And there we are. Right down onto the church. The patio behind the church. Towards the steps that takes us back to the road. Okay, these stones are very slippery. Right there. Here's the minibus.